Hey guys, welcome back to a new studio vlog. I am so excited for this one because it should be a lot of fun. I might also call this the Unemployment Diaries of Jessica. So I actually had an opportunity to take a voluntary furlough from my job. It was a tough decision. I sat down and went through the pros and cons and talked to my boyfriend, I talked to my boss, and I decided to accept the voluntary furlough. So I will be, as of right now, unemployed until July 31st. But I am gonna get unemployment and all this stuff, so I have a savings. I'm totally fine, and I'm really excited to take this opportunity to kind of focus more on my YouTube channel. Here, this place that you are watching. So I thought it would be fun to see how much I can grow in 2 months maybe. And I have some goals and some video plans, and I've been really utilizing my bullet journal, and I may go into that a little more. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and this is also kind of like a little video diary, I guess, for myself as well. And I thought I'd bring you guys along. Today is May 27th. It's Wednesday. I just want to clean up this studio. It is really messy. I thought about maybe reorganizing it. I'm not sure. I did just get a lot of packages that I wanted to open on camera with you guys and show you some of the things that I was buying and kind of give you some of a hint at the ideas that I have and things I want to try. So let me play that clip and then I'll come right back. So I got some Caribbean teal is the color, premium quality tissue paper. Oh, okay. So this is actually, oh, it has a little Allen key wrench thing. And it's pretty sturdy, so it's gonna hold the weight. I'm actually filming with my DSLR that I would be using on this. So it'll be here, and so I could go like this and arrange it so I can film down. So I want to try this out. I think it just would sit on top of my tripod or even just stand alone on my desk. It seems like it would hold quite a lot of weight. I can't wait to try this out, and hopefully that'll help with my filming views. Oh, this I got a little while ago. It wasn't in with this batch, but I didn't show it yet, and this is some PVA glue. So I wanted to try out making some notepads, and this was the best glue to use or tear the paper off the pad without like ripping the paper, and so I wanted to test that out. Okay, these are clear bags. They're eco-friendly. Then I got this, which isn't in a box, and it came quite beaten up. So you can see what it is. I literally think, oh no, there's the handle. I thought the handle was missing, but here it is. Wow, this is really light. Ooh, that is sharp. Okay, I got a corner rounder, and it has a small, medium, and large, so I can make the corners bigger or smaller depending on what I want. Chipboard. I will use this as the back of my notepads. I got some photo paper that's semi-glossy. It was actually on sale, so I figured I'd try it. So this is premium matte photo paper. It's 230 GSM. Oh, and then I got nose rings. They're so tiny. I can't believe this package. Let me see if I can. They're very tiny. I don't know how I'm gonna get this through my nose for my nose ring. So that should be fun. Oh, these are tiny. 6x8. So this is a 6x8 rigid mailer by Eco Enclose. And these are 9x11.5 mailers. Oh, I forgot to show you guys these. I got these off of eBay, and they're 5x7 turquoise envelopes, which are perfect. They're the perfect color. So any small things that I don't need a rigid mailer for, I will put in these envelopes to mail. So if you guys haven't guessed already, I am getting ready to open my art shop. I am so excited. It's what I've always wanted to do. So this will be, I'm going to try making some thank you cards on this thicker cardstock paper. I'm going to test out prints on this paper. I'm really excited, so I'm going to take you guys along with starting my art shop from nothing to something. So as I was saying, that I wanted to now clean up the studio so that we can start testing some products, which I'm really excited about. Is the room all complete after my reorganization. I put the bookshelf over here,
And then I changed it to a white table and moved it to this side, which fit perfectly against the window. I put my Cricut on the end. I have my printer, and then I reused this box that you saw in previous videos that I didn't know what to do with, so I put some like packaging supplies in. And so these are packaging supplies, the shelf, and then this is printer paper. And the corner rounder over there, I have my envelopes, tissue paper, and clear bag. And then I have my paper guillotine on top. Any extras I put down here under the table. So I have some room down here if I need to store stuff. I organized my cart and put that next to it so I could easily grab it. And here are my plants. So I cleaned up my desk area. Mine is taking out the trash, don't look. I put my filming equipment, like lights and my tripod, over there in the corner. I folded up the umbrellas, so they are there. But yeah, so this is the room all complete. So today is Saturday, May 30th. Last night or yesterday you saw me print these. This is on the clear glossy paper, and it got some ink on the side, which will be cut off, so that's fine. But I feel like the ink does not dry very well. I left these overnight because they were still, the ink was still coming off. So it's still, even now, coming off a little bit, but I'm going to try to cut them today. I may have to figure out something different to do instead of like solid black ink borders, and maybe that will help with the ink down the sides. I don't know. And then this was my test sheet for my notepads. I do have to do some color correcting and adjusting. So this square is pretty dark. I haven't tested it, like writing on it yet, but this will probably have to be, the background should be lighter. I am going to move the boat over a little bit, and it did get some ink from the stickers on this, but that's okay, it's a test sheet. I'm going to move this over a little bit. It's a little close to the edge. I think I'm going to lighten up the lines on this one so they're not so bold. So I'm going to do that and then do another test print, and then we'll cut it out and then make a notepad together. So that is the end of this studio vlog. Sorry it was a little bit longer one, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing more of the behind the scenes process of making these products. I can't wait to make more. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!